Your application to remain in Canada as a temporary resident has been approved. Don't play. Hi my loves, yay, welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome back if you're returning. I love you so much. Let's start this vlog. This is your first time watching me, welcome. My name is Mara. I'm a Nigerian, but I currently live and school in Canada. Gosh, I am a graduate, guys. I'm currently done with school and currently working. All right, so welcome to my channel. I hope you find it helpful and fun here. I just got back from work. Actually, I had to prepare a couple of things for myself to eat before I go to the gym. I haven't been going to the gym for a little bit. I was supposed to take a break for 1 month, complete my crash courses that was for 1 month, and then go back to the gym, but that didn't happen because a lot of things, you know, just kept coming up, and it's still coming up. If not that I'm making the conscious effort to just resume the gym. Hey, I don't buy problem, because when I was promising you guys that I would be posting every Saturday, I didn't know it this crazy, because I just posted this Saturday, last week Saturday. Today is Tuesday, by the way. I just posted on Saturday, and I'm thinking, okay, I've not even started editing the vlog for this Saturday. Like, it's really not easy. Come on, I see why YouTubers just take a break and just ghost, because man, this life is not easy. I'm just gonna try my best to keep my words and give you guys the vlogs. I will try. This stuff won't focus, but I have 3 boiled eggs here that I'm gonna eat. Have my smoothie. This smoothie is let me this won't focus. Yeah, this smoothie is a blend of oats, protein powder, mixed berries, and frozen bananas. Okay, that's by the way. So I just wanted to start this vlog and just like talk to you guys a little bit, but I think that this vlog is going to have a title that is interesting and a good news somewhat, and I'm going to tell you guys why. So while I was at work, I got an email from IRCC. I have my laptop here. Okay, so I got an email from them saying that I have a message currently in my account. So what I want to do is to check it out. And the only application that I currently have on there is my work permit application. So I had applied quite recently, maybe less than 21 days ago, and they're telling me I have a message. Let's see what it is. So my postgraduate work permit has been approved. The application to remain in Canada as a temporary resident has been approved. A secure document has been made to you at the address that you provided when you made your application. If you have not received your secure document within 6 weeks, contact IRCC. Please note that boom, my status just changed. Okay, I'm really grateful to God for this process. I'm only one person. Like, I really want to make some of these videos, even how to apply for the Pgwp and all of that. Hopefully I get the time to do them in the near future. Okay, but you guys should just celebrate with me. I'm very happy. I have a couple of notes that I have to attend to before I leave. Bye guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next clip. Hi, got the package here. Thank you. Hey my loves. Oh, hi guys. I think I'm liking the setting of this camera today. So I'm just coming back from the grocery store, and meanwhile, before I went to the grocery store, I went to pick up a delivery. So we have a package from a brand. This is it. I love the brands that I work with, but returning brands really have my heart. This is a bag actually. It's from Uubags. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. These days I always have my camera battery dying on me for some reason. Okay, yeah, so this one died. I had to quickly change it. Can you guys see? Super pretty. I love it. Let's get into it. Okay, this is the paperwork and stuff like that. Get the style of the show. This packaging, this box is so cool. Oh, you guys, Oh my goodness, this is so cool. How? And the quality is insane. Like, this stuff feels so freaking good. Oh. And it has a long strap, you guys. It has a long strap. Can you guys see this bag? So beautiful. It also has a short strap, silver strap. I really do love it. Okay, let me not gush over the bag and not plug you guys. This bag is from Uubags. Uubags is a brand that sells or produces replica fashion product. They make really good ones. I do not think I own any actual designer bag, you guys, but the bags I own are quality bags. And if I tell you that this is quality, it's even more interesting because this is not the first time I'm getting a bag from them, and the first time I was blown away. This one is going to do that same work because this is so good. And they also sent me one more thing, YSL wallet. Can you guys see this wallet? This wallet is so cute. I love wallets and small ones. I love that this one is really small. Got this wallet for the purpose of traveling. This is a wallet I would take with me if I was traveling outside of Canada, maybe going to Nigeria, the UK, or just really traveling out because it's really light. I think like it has really good compartment or whatever. Is that what it's called? Yeah, so I really do like it. It has this inside the box. These are just like cards. These things are the same things that come with your designer brands. Love this bag. I love it. And thank you, Uubags, for sending me this amazing bag that I'm gonna rock so well. So I'm going to have all the details you guys might need to shop from Uubags in the description box, and also a discount code for you guys, because if you know, you know. Me, I cannot bring you something that you cannot benefit from. Okay, it has to have a discount code, and I'm gonna have my discount code on the screen and also in the description box. Okay, that is off the way, you guys. I'm just really tired. I don't know, even while I was doing this unboxing, I feel like my energy is off, and I wasn't gonna talk about it, but let's talk about it. I'm tired. I won't say stress. It's not stress. It's just more like I just started going to the gym, right? So my body is in like serious pain because I've been lifting. Today is my rest day. I'm not going to the gym today, and I'm tired. I am always tired.
When there was a natural trigger, this trigger or a danger actions you believe a danger emotion and never have learned how to take this conversation. Breathing is my heart staying reactive because of some. Thank you this episode. Get kind of come so it's philosophical from apart. Turn so that and how you act, you're blaming and you're complaining and your behaviors are not going to make you happy. So can't have a better life than putting out there. You're more organized in your life. It's everything. Every life is mapped around problems. When they start remembering the problem, they start remembering the habit is a redundant set of automatic acquired through repetition. So them into the same predict as the known, the predictable, or the unknown.
Okay. Hi guys, so I hope the audio, like I'm trying to figure out setup for sit down video and also to do a quick vlog update before we head on. You guys, I came back and saw that there is a mail for me. You guys, it is from IRCC, and I'm guessing you guys already know what that is. You guys, we're going to go ahead and open it. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is actually my mic is far from me. So this is actually my work permit. Oh, I am so happy. This came so fast. I didn't think it's gonna come this fast. This is a 3 years work permit. Is valid to 2027. So I'm trying to like film a sit down video and head to the gym because I'm supposed to be working out with my friend, and she's like already kind of waiting for me to finish my filming because we are still in time. Today is public holiday in Canada anyway. Today is Canada Day. Okay, it is the 2nd of September. All right, and you guys, I was showing you guys yesterday. I went to get this creatine. Can you guys see? I think the light is too exposed on it, but yeah, I went to get this creatine. I don't know, I've been seeing this particular brand. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this brand. My friends use a variety of other brands. None of my friends use this one, but this one is something that there was a day I followed someone to buy pre-workout a while back, and I'm like, I love this one because it's a lot in it. The ones my friend use are a little smaller, but most times, you know how products do the same work. I have the fan on and I'm praying to God that the fan is not making the audio bad, because honestly, I'm hot. Like, I am feeling very hot and I can't do without this fan, so I will leave it on. Yeah, so I got this, and when I come back, what am I speaking? Hey, when I go back earlier today, I went to, from there, I don't even know what I'm saying. I think I'm anxious, okay, because I haven't done a sit down video in a while. So yeah, I went to Superstore to pick chicken and salad that I showed you guys earlier in the previous clip. Okay, and I'm just grilling my chicken because I have to meal prep for the week. Okay, I already have spaghetti that I made 2 days ago, so I just don't have protein, so that's why I just got chicken to grill and take that to work. And this week is my EDO, so I'm only working for 3 days this week, which is exciting. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I'm off. Yeah, okay guys, so let me go ahead and film a sit down video. I just wanted to unbox or like open the stuff with you guys. I would just wanted you guys to open it with me. I am super happy. Like, I feel so blessed. This is like less than, when did I show you guys? Less than a week that I saw the email from them, right? It's less than a week and it's here. I'm really grateful to God Almighty. And of course, the video I'm going to even be filming now, we have a reflection of that. Make sure you watch that video. It's a video of me talking about 2 years after the big move to Canada. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. This vlog is gonna end here, okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. My chicken is still in the oven, so I'm not able to show you guys right now, but I will show you guys later. If I get the chance to actually vlog and talk to you guys, I will. If not, I'll just show you guys a video of what it looks like. Bye bye, see you in the sit down video, okay? Make sure you watch it. Bye guys.